Our coverage of Computex 2025 is brought to you by InWin. Show them some love or else. There's obviously a lot of case vendors here at Computex, but it really takes something special to make a case that stands out alongside all of those, and this is exactly what Hyte has done with the X50. Where do you even start with it? Obviously, the star of the show is the kind of rounded aesthetic, which is a really kind of nice, almost retro design if you're into that specific look. They struggled a lot to get this front panel to be exactly how they wanted to match the complete rounded aesthetic. They went through many different processes, but in the end, they managed to make one that fits just right and doesn't crack. So it took a lot of work. One other thing that is also kind of retro about it that you may have noticed already is the fact that the PSU is actually at the top. Normally you have a separate basement for that, but they said no. The PSU, you know, it can suffer not having the best airflow. The biggest priority is just providing good, fresh, clean air to the graphics card. Hence why you have a triple fan setup at the very bottom to provide the most air possible to your super hot RTX 5090. That is why they've gone with this. So it's going to be pretty interesting to see exactly how it's going to impact thermals. Another thing to point out here is this panel right here, nice, rounded, and it is actually laminated. So one, it doesn't break into a billion pieces, but also kind of provides a bit of a acoustic dampening as well. So that means that hopefully with all of these fans, it will still not be super loud. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that you can actually get a version with a regular full mesh side panel instead of this, if that's what you prefer. Though again, that may be a bit louder. Another thing you'll probably notice straight away about this case is the back. Instead of having just a regular kind of mesh design, here you have these horizontal fins. That not only improves the airflow, because again, that is the #1 priority here, but also improves the structural rigidity of the case itself. And in fact, they have a patent pending for this exact design. Plus, they also have some special cable management routing channels at the back of the case, something you don't really see too much. That's one, to make it look better, even though it's the back of your PC, you'll never see it because it's usually just against the wall. However, again, because airflow is the #1 thing here, it means that you won't have your PSU cables or your motherboard cables getting in the way of your rear exhaust fans. Even though obviously I'm drawn to the purple one over here, the tarot one as they call it, it's available in all of the special milky colors as well, plus good old-fashioned and boring black or white as well. Now, in terms of price and availability, this thing is going to be $150 without any fans, and that's pre-tax, pre-everything. The version with the mesh side panel is going to be a bit cheaper at $120, again without fans. Thanks so much to InWin for sponsoring our coverage. They're celebrating their 40th year anniversary this year with major discounts on the existing chassis, plus a special 40th anniversary concept chassis, so definitely check them out down in the video description below. Plus, huge thanks to our patrons, Gavin Burns, Justin Ray, Jella Ronyak, Balash Voka, Patrick Harrison, Nala Sudodin, Meg Sumner, and Shane Allcroft.